Today we're going hunting for a Nessie. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Loch Ness.
We have a yellow submarine behind us because I believe we're going to go hunting for Nessie.
Nessie. That's right, today we are here in Loch Ness to do a couple of different tours to see if we can find the elusive monster.
Fun fact, I shall use this submarine to explore Loch Ness.
Today we're going hunting for a Nessie.
Today, all good, yeah, perfect, well done.
Good morning.
Madam, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Film crew or something?
Yeah.
Just for ourselves. Yeah.
So apparently they did find Nessie in a recent scan, and we'll show you that proof right now.
It really is very quiet out here, isn't it? So, and that's the point here, you know, it always looks like this. We don't really do boating activities in the Highlands, of course. We don't generally get the weather. Say Nessie herself were to swim under the boat right now, we would get to see her on the screen. Now, the way that would work for us, the way that would look even, it's going to be a big red dot, so about the size of my fingernail here, and somewhere in this white area. So the white area there's the water, of course. So big red dot is what we're looking for. We can see the small red dots on the screen. Now these are fish, and as you can see we're not picking up a lot of fish, mainly because, well, the monster eats all our fish, of course, of course. Now, if we do see the monster on the screen though, I am afraid there are some rules on this particular boat. First of all, we're going to take a photograph of it, aren't we? And then we're going to sell it to these YouTubers, our photograph. We're going to go and buy ourselves a very nice, but very cheap and very tacky. You recording this bit?
Yeah.
Super yacht. And we'll sail off to the Mediterranean, where it's wonderfully warm and sunny all of the time. Looks like this all of the time. We don't need to wrap ourselves in jackets most of the summer long.
With the monster.
Yes, yes.
Two monsters there.
Two monsters.
Child of the monster.
You guys, I'm sure, could take a photo of that and then photocopy it, Photoshop it green.
And black.
Yeah.
Make it green, and make a long leg and a head from a distance.
Nice idea.
And there you go. That'll make you your famous fortune.
Yeah.
You won't have to go back to the boat.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I've never driven a boat before in my life, and the first time I got to do it was here in Loch Ness. Man, Scotland is just, it's given us the best time ever. That was so fun. Thank you. Yeah, that was great.
Cheers, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Well, that boat tour was so fun.
Yes. We learned a lot of information about the loch itself. Like it's 23 miles long, 754 feet deep in the middle. So that's where you can actually hide a monster, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, you do get beautiful views, and we got really lucky with the nice weather today, but I was really interested in everything that the captain had to say about the loch. There's a lot of interesting things. So you can actually book that tour and a tour to the Loch Ness Visitor Center, which we're about to do, together in a combo ticket, and it saves you a little bit of money. And we did,
it's like £5 each or something.
Extra?
To save.
Oh, to save. Yes, and then we did see a lot of boats that were really packed full of people, and ours only, I think 12 was the maximum. So I'd highly recommend booking through their website. We'll put it in the description below. was super, super fun. What'd you think?
Yeah, I think it was worth it. It's family friendly, but it's also geared to the adults. A lot of knowledge and information there.
Yeah, you kind of move from like room to room, learning a little bit more about Loch Ness and the history of Nessie and what they found, what they haven't found. And then in the gift shop, we got ourselves some Walker's shortbread cookies in this cute Nessie tin. Oh, what a great start to the day. And we learned from the boat tour that the weather's like almost never like this. He said once every 3 months you get a day like this, so we're so lucky to be here.
All right, on to get some food.
Hi, how you doing? Good. Can we have a haddock and chips? And a fish fillet burger. And does the haddock come with tartar sauce? Can I add a tartar sauce?
All right, so we stopped by Fiddler's Highland, which was recommended by Tatsuya and Highlander Inn and Craig Alecky. But when we went to the menu, it was a little pricey for lunch, so actually next door on the same patio is Loch Ness Crab, owned by the same guy. So we decided to check that out, get some haddock and chips and some fish fillet chips. Oh, and a nice local Scotch ale from Black Isle Brewing, so, or a wee heavy they call it. So it's really good. A little caramel notes to it, a little heavier. I think about like 6 to 7%. So nice little lunch beer.
Hello, how you doing?
Fine, we got a wee fish
Yes.
and
Fish burger?
fish burger. No, fish.
Great,
Fish burger.
and we've paid
Excellent.
as
Okay,
well.
cool.
Thanks so much. Are you John?
I am, yeah.
We were just staying at the Highlander Inn a few days ago.
Oh, it's Tatsuya, eh?
Yeah, he sent us over here. Yeah,
I must go and see him. He was in Japan recently, eh?
yeah, he just got back.
Yeah, I love Japan. Do you like Japan, eh?
Yeah, same. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, mate, look at this. Well, don't look at my Band-Aid. Fish burger, fish and chips. All right, so our food has finally arrived. We got some fried haddock and chips. Listen, I'm going in with my fingers.
Got some fresh.
Yeah, but the batter is like really nice and crispy and chewy. It's really, really good. It's definitely a little bit of a heavier batter than I'm used to, but wow, very tasty. And this was only what, £12.50 I think, and inside it was like £25 or something. So when you come here, I would definitely do Fiddler's for dinner, but if you're coming for lunch, sit on the patio, order from the food truck, grab yourself a nice beverage, and relax outside.
I did the fish fillet sandwich, but you gotta douse it with some homemade tartar sauce here. Looks really good. Spread it on.
Oh yeah, get a big old bite.
Yeah. So it's got some slaw on the bottom there, some carrots, cabbage. Yeah, it looks like, I guess a little bit thicker on the batter, huh?
Oh yeah, mate.
Yeah, the bun's really fresh, fish is really fresh. Fish?
Fish is really fish.
Fish is fresh. Fresh fish. Fish is fresh. I don't know. No, it's really good. Obviously, we need a lot of food since we just had oatmeal for breakfast, so let's dig in.
I was just saying to Lemon like what an incredible moment this is and really appreciating it for what it is. There's bagpipes playing in the background. We're at Loch Ness. We're eating fish and chips. Like the weather is perfect. And I know I've said this in a lot of our other vlogs if you've watched them, but Scotland is just, every single day here is like the best day of my life. You have to come visit. Ooh.
Nessie.
Nessie. Alright, so this place is definitely a must stop when you're here in Loch Ness. It is family friendly as well, if you were wondering. And they're working on extending the patio to add more tables. But one of the coolest parts, the owner's really nice. His name's John, super nice guy. But inside they have Loch Ness themed cocktails made with local spirits, which we really appreciate. We didn't have any today because we're driving, but yeah, make sure you stop here.
What's one of the names?
The Negroni.
Goodness,
Brony.
Brony.
And I can't remember the other ones, but yeah, they're really cute. All right, so next stop here in Loch Ness is Urquhart Castle, which is one of the top things to do when you're visiting. Now, we did hear that the locals say this is nothing more than a big old pile of stones.
Organized pile of stones.
Organized pile of stones. But so far, just walking through, it feels a little bit more than that to me. So this contraption here, which is essentially a catapult, is a replica of something that would have been used to like demolish the castle, which you can see it's all in ruins. That's wild.
I believe it's called the trebuchet.
Trebuchet. That sounds bougie for a catapult.
Yeah. I just learned that because it has a sign. Also, it says it can hurl a stone ball like this 270 meters.
Wow. Wow, that's really far.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And in the movie we were watching, the Outlaw King, Robert the Bruce, they would light him on fire. Remember that? They light him on fire and destroy the castles.
The balls.
Yeah.
Great balls of fire.
Start a fire in the castle.
You gonna laugh at my joke?
Ah,
Great
balls of fire.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
That's it. All right, let's move on. That was a great joke, mate.
She'll be here all night. Today's language lesson in Scottish or Gaelic, explore is ransack. Like when you ransack something, you explore it and steal everything.
We don't steal things.
Ransack means like to plumage, take everything, I guess. I don't know, let's go.
The more you know.
Or don't know.
There's a person in there, mate. Ooh, that looks not great.
Oh yeah. Ah.
That's where they put you when you ransack things.
Nessie, is that you? So it's pretty much the front door to the castle, huh?
Yeah, I guess back in the day there weren't roads, and it was a treacherous path to get here, so they bring everything by boat down the loch. And then it would come up here on the beach and they'd walk it in here to the castle.
Convenient.
Like, can you imagine living back then, like in a time like that? Like,
No.
I get annoyed like when there's traffic. Can you imagine? Like, you know what I mean? Like when we're driving and there's traffic, I'm annoyed. They just had it so much harder.
There's a horse and buggy traffic jam.
Yeah. Views here though, huh? Wow.
Find your Nessie friend.
I did. My favorite thing to do when traveling is to offer to take photos for other people. I feel like we don't film that very often, but it just brings me so much joy when I see people like struggling, and we make a lot of friends that way as well.
Good job.
Thanks.
Good deed of the day. Bad high five of the day.
Let's try a good one, mate.
All right, on that note.
Let's get moving. Let's go. Well, thank you guys for coming with us today. We hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as we did making it. Loch Ness is such a fun area.
Yeah, make sure you check it out if you're in Scotland. Go hunt for Nessie, learn about Loch Ness, and then check out the castle. I think it's worth it. So.
Yeah. And don't forget to stop by Fiddler's for some fish and chips too.
Yeah.
That was like a highlight of the day.
Yeah,
Besides
say
driving
hi
the
to
boat.
John over there.
Yes. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more adventures, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.